Now let's think, if you're, for example, not really good in timing for pressing the button. So I will just delete everything here. And create one clip. And in this clip, in the settings, I will go to record settings. It's already enabled. Count in, we don't need. Count out, we don't need. And we have here option retrospective recording. You may ask, like, do I record in retro music here? No. Let's say it will be quantized. So the feature is explaining here, capture percent involved cycle in sync with clock. So that means all my audio, which I'm speaking right now, is going through the buffer of Loopy Pro, and I can run the clock. And when I will stop talking, I can hit the record. Talking, I can hit the record. Talking, I can hit the record. Talking, it recorded my phrase which I was speaking before. So if I will run the clock and do a simple beat and then click record, you'll see how it works. How cool is that? So again, I'm speaking, my hands is here, and I forgot to place something on my screen, so it starts recording. So it's something on my screen, so it's something on my screen, so it's something. So this is really amazing for freestyle on your loop station or your Loopy Pro, because, for example, if you like, oh, 1 second ago this was a really cool beat, and I don't want to lose it, and you have time to lose it, and you have, and I don't want to lose it, and you have, and I don't want to lose it, and you have. So you've got an idea how does it work.